All right, today we have something very interesting. It is a Play-Doh brand Crystal Crunch, and I am going to say this is also in the slime family. It's got some beads in it. It's supposed to smell like peppermint. I hope it does smell like peppermint, but I'm not going to hold my breath that it does. Okay. So let's open this one up. Okay. So it comes in this container that's supposed to resemble a jewel or crystal of some kind because it is called Crystal Crunch. And I got this at Five Below. Okay. This texture is better to me than the very first slimes that we looked at. I don't think I like the wet slimy slimes. I like the slimes that stay together more. And I don't know if this is exactly how this slime is supposed to do because I'm not a slime expert. We're just going with what we got here. And it does smell minty. It does, I don't know if it smells like peppermint, but it resembles a minty smell. It's kind of hard to get out of this container because the container is a funny shape. Let's see. I might have to get something to dig it out with. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a chopstick. Let's see if that works. I think we're freeing it. Hang on one second. Yay, we got it out. It's wanting to stick to the wood. Okay. Okay, so we've got two colors. We've got purple and light blue, very pretty. And I'm pretty sure that if I was a professional slime person, I might add some glycerin to this one, just like the previous one we looked at, because it seems to be a bit stiff. And ignore my dog. He's ripping up something under the table. These little beads in here definitely feel interesting. If you don't like, it doesn't hurt, but if you don't like little pokey feeling things, then I wouldn't get this because it definitely, you can feel it on your hands. I wonder what they're actually made out of. I think they're just made out of like plastic. I wanted to say they were beads, but I don't think they are beads, actually. I think they're just soft plastic that has been rolled up. I don't really know exactly. Okay, so it rips if you do it fast. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to play with it, but I'm just gonna roll with this. It's working for me for now, so. So it's very rippy. And the blue combines with the purple, like the darker purple, to make a lighter purple. I'm going to show you up close, kind of the texture of it a little bit maybe. It's definitely hurting my carpal tunnel because it's kind of tough. But I like the noises. Alright, that is going to do me for this video. I'm going to see if I can procure us some glycerin and make these two slimes feel a little bit better. But until then, we have some more videos coming out that I think you're going to enjoy. Thank you for visiting me today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.